Hello everybody, my name is Raymond Cook and this is my restorative art third lap project. I was informed that we needed to actually select a model for our armature clay head. Our armature clay head is going to be a nice figure that's going to be made from wax. The figure is going to be an actual head that we're going to form from start to beginning. And being that we had to actually choose a model, I selected the famous Michael B. Jordan. Michael B. Jordan, he has a diamond oblong type of head. If you take notice, he has a very jaw type that's angular. This angular feature is dramatic, so the cheekbones are right up in here. He has a slightly fat, fleshy jawline right here. So as you can see, these are his actual cheeks, but he has this extra fatty part that's right here that goes underneath them. His wide jawline, but it's narrower than your cheeks. So even though he has a wide jawline, it's still narrower than the cheeks, which means it's still cut inwards more than his actual cheeks. So his jaw type is angular due to the length and width ratio. It's longer. Michael B. Jordan. I have selected Michael B. Jordan because I feel that he has a naturally symmetrical face. It seems that everything just cuts in half with him and it's equal. So whether it's from ear to ear, his face is pretty much symmetrical, even with his teeth. Everything about him is symmetrical. He has strong features that I feel that I can duplicate for my armature head. He is also one of my favorite actors, and I feel that this is a way of showing my appreciation to some of his bodies of work. Some of his bodies of work includes the movies Creed 1 and 2, which was a Rocky spinoff type of movie where he was his protege, Black Panther, and one of my favorites, Fahrenheit 451. All great movies. So if you just take a look at Michael B. Jordan, his face in halves. So from the top of his head, it's actually half in between his eyes. And from half his eyes to his chin, it's the base of his chin. That right there is actually the rule of halves. His hairline and eyebrows to the base of his nose. You can see the perfect symmetry when it comes to that as well. He has some acquired features and he has some natural features. As far as he has dimples, we see he has dimples. He has one there and he has one there. That right there, that's a natural trait. These crow's feet, also known as superior palpebral sulcus, that right there, that is an acquired trait. This nasolabial fold, it runs superior from the margin of his nasal wing to the side of his mouth, and it usually disappears at the lip, on the line of the lip closure. So that will be right up in here. This is usually where this line normally disappears on a regular case if we were just looking at him naturally. Taking a look at Michael B. Jordan, his face is pretty much symmetrical all over. The medial corner of his eye, from the wings to the nose, is pretty much the same on both sides. And now the middle of the eye to the corner of his mouth is pretty much the same symmetry. He actually has a concave, convex type of face. His forehead is prominent. It's prominent. And his chin, it protrudes to an imaginary line. I feel as if Michael B. Jordan is going to be a very great model that can keep me actually interested in the project, and I can learn some features from someone who I have a close relationship to. So I feel as if this will be a great way to start and finish the remainder of the year with the project. And hopefully I've been very informative about the model that I've chosen and any natural and acquired facial markings that he may have had. Thank you so much.